Open reel analog tapes are, of course, the heart of professional analog tape recording. Tape is available in all of the widths: quarter-inch, half-inch, 1-inch, and 2-inch. It can be purchased on the reel or as a pancake. The reels themselves are usually metal, though for the consumer and semi-pro markets, plastic reels are common as well. For professional tape applications, 10.5-inch reels are the most common, though 14-inch reels are also available. A reel consists of two metal flanges that enclose a hub. The tape is wound around the hub. Smaller plastic reels are also used. 7-inch is probably the most common size, though smaller sizes are used as well, especially for portable recorders. Analog tape comes in different formulations. Note, formulation is different than format. Formulation refers to the actual materials and magnetic performance of the tape. Specs like coercivity, retentivity, sensitivity, and headroom measure how much magnetic flux the tape can handle before saturation, which determines the noise floor and dynamic range of the tape, and is a factor in the settings made when aligning the tape, as I'll cover in an upcoming video. Higher quality tapes exhibit better performance. In the modern era, high output tapes allow for recording at significantly hotter levels, as much as 9 dB or so hotter than in the earlier analog era, and enjoy even lower noise and greater headroom than tapes of that era. In the heyday of analog tape recording, companies like Ampex and 3M were the leading manufacturers of analog tape. Tape formulations like Ampex 456 and the later high-output 499 were mainstays. Ampex later morphed into Quantigy and continued to manufacture tape, including the high-output GP9, but both Quantigy and 3M are no longer in the analog tape business. Used tapes can be found on eBay and other sites, and new tape is still made by at least two companies, RTM and ATR Magnetics. Open reel tape is pricey. A 10.5-inch reel of quarter-inch tape might go for around $70 or $80, and a 10.5-inch reel of 2-inch tape can be as much as $350. Keep in mind that at 15 IPS, a 10.5-inch reel will hold only 30 minutes of audio. At 30 IPS, this is reduced to 15 minutes. When you compare that with the cost per byte of digital storage, it's not surprising that the use of analog tape is a specialty application in the modern world. Next up, noise reduction systems used to improve the performance of analog tape.